Today's video of 1 to step, I'm going to show you how to delete emails on Hotmail, or now known as Outlook. So if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end, and let's get right into it. Now either you can do this process from the website of Outlook, but for this video we're going to use the app. So just open up your app and you will see this section of focused and others. You may have emails on both of these tabs. Now to firstly delete it, you can just tap and hold on any email, and on the top you can see this trash can icon. You can just tap on it and this email will be removed from the inbox section. But however, this is not the permanent deletion. If you want to completely remove it from your Outlook account, you will need to tap on the Outlook logo on the top left. From this menu, you can see an option of deleted. Tap on the deleted option and all of the messages or emails that you deleted from the inbox section will land here. Similarly, you can just tap on hold on the message, and if you tap on the trash can icon, it says permanently delete message. Just tap on permanently delete and this particular email will be completely removed from your account. But however, if there are any emails that have been sent to the deleted section by mistake, you can also recover it and restore it. Tap and hold on the message, tap on this icon besides the trash can icon, and you can now move this email to any of these lists or any of these sections, and that email will be immediately moved and restored. So that was a quick video on how to delete emails on Hotmail. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. If you want more videos just like this, make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more interesting videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.